In this video, I'll be showing you how to unlock home screen layout on Samsung. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Let's say you're trying to move something around and it's not letting you. It says home screen layout is locked. You can unlock it in settings. That could be quite annoying, especially if you want to customize things to your own liking. So what you want to do is long press in an empty area on your screen, and it's going to look like this. Then on the bottom right, go ahead and click settings. Once you're here, it's going to show you the home screen settings area. Go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see lock home screen layout as one of the options. And currently that's going to be enabled. So all you want to do is disable this like so. And now, or you should also toggle on add new apps to home screen. So anytime you download an application, it goes to the home screen automatically. And now what you want to go ahead and do is go back home. And now if I want to try and move Snapchat, it lets me move it as much as I want. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.